Do you want to become a business analyst but worried that your background isn't relevant? Then this is the right video for you. I successfully transitioned into business analysis, and so I have hundreds of people that I've coached, from teachers to customer service reps to accountants, right? So in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to break into business analysis without prior experience, and I'll share some common mistakes to avoid. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Pippa and I'm a business analyst with over 10 years of experience in the field. I help aspiring new and transitioning business analysts to build the skills, confidence, and strategies that they need to succeed in their careers. On this channel, I share practical BA techniques, career advice, and real-world case studies to help you navigate the business analysis world like a pro. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive into today's topic. Can you become a BA without experience? I hear this question all the time. Can I really become a business analyst without IT experience or a business degree? Yes, you absolutely can, right? The myth is that you need a tech background, but the truth is that BAs are not developers, right? Understanding processes and problem solving is more important. Another myth is that you need a BA certification first. While certifications help, you can get hired without one if you gain practical experience. A third myth is that you must start in a junior BA role. Many BAs transition from other roles like customer service, HR, finance, or operations into mid-level and senior BA roles. So let's talk about how to actually make the transition. Step 1 is to identify your transferable skills. The first step is identifying the skills that you already have that match a BA role, right? You'll be surprised how many industries require similar skills. For instance, problem-solving skills. Have you ever improved a work process? That's BA work. Communication. Have you ever gathered requirements from a client or a team? That is stakeholder management. Data analysis. Have you worked with spreadsheets, reports, or KPIs? Process improvements. Have you ever suggested ways to make work more efficient, right? So you already have BA related skills. You just need to frame them in the right way. Step 2 is to learn business analysis fundamentals. You need to learn the key BA techniques so that you can confidently speak the language in interviews. You want to start with these core BA concepts. Process mapping. You want to know Lucidchart, Miro, Visio. User stories and requirements gathering, stakeholder management, basic SQL and data analysis. It's optional, but it's also helpful. There are tons of free and paid resources online, but if you want to get a structured learning path, join my business analysis membership where I teach these skills with real-world examples. Step 3 is to gain hands-on experience, right? The fastest way to get hired is to prove that you can do the work even before you have a BA title. Option 1 here is to volunteer for BA work in your current job, right? For instance, if you're in customer service, HR, finance, try to document a process or create a report. It's BA work. Option 2 is to work on real case studies, right? This is the best option if you're switching industries. Case studies help you to practice real BA work so that you have something to show your employers. Inside my BA membership, I take you through real-world projects step by step. Now, the third option is freelance or contribute to open source projects. Websites like Upwork, non-profits, they always need help with process improvement. So use this to build your portfolio as well. Step 4 is to optimize your CV and your LinkedIn. Now that you have the skills and the experience, you need to make sure that your CV and your LinkedIn profile show it, right? How do you do this? You want to highlight your transferable skills, right? Try to frame your past experiences in BA terms. You want to showcase your case studies, even if they're self-led projects. You want to use BA keywords. Recruiters search for terms like requirements elicitation, process mapping, BPMN, user stories, agile, right? Those things. Recruiters actively search for BAs on LinkedIn, so optimize your profile with the right keywords and skills. Step 5 is to apply for BA jobs with confidence, right? Now you're ready to apply, right? Start with junior BA roles, business analyst internships, or even business process analyst roles. Many companies don't require experience, they just want problem solvers, right? But most importantly, don't let imposter syndrome to stop you. Every BA was once a beginner, like me, right? If you take the right steps, you can land your first BA job. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.